Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, the location we are in is Sapa. We arrived very, very early in the morning and we hadn't eaten for like 8 hours or something. So, I had one of my little sweet buns, which had coconut cream in the middle. So, we arrived at one hotel and waited for this little cart thing to take us to the second hotel, which was where we were leaving our bags because we were doing a homestay. Then we met our tour guide and we started walking. So I think the trek went for about 3 hours, if I remember correctly, and we visited 3 different villages. This walk was by far one of the best things I did in Vietnam. It looked so beautiful that it didn't look real. It was like there were parts where the landscape was so big that you couldn't even fit it all into one photo. There were a few different groups and there were a lot of people in each group. We went uphill, downhill. We had to walk through rivers at some points. We went through bamboo. We saw the rice fields. I honestly don't really know what to say because there's nothing else to say other than it was just amazing and beautiful and you have to do it. There were a bunch of kids following us and, asking if we were okay and helping us walk over the river and stuff, which was really nice. Towards the end, they did get out a bunch of stuff to try to sell to us, and I did buy a little bracelet. But yeah, it was really nice. And they also made us these little, a heart out of a fern and this little animal out of a piece of grass. We also saw a bunch of really cute animals along the whole walk, and this was when we made it to the very top of the rice fields. I just couldn't stop looking at it because I've never seen something this beautiful before. Here is a photo of the cute little heart and the little animal that they made for us on the walk. Unfortunately, I can't take that home because the Australian government would not be happy with me if I did that. After a bit of walking, we made it to this little part at the very top where there was some snacks and fruit for sale. So I bought a mango and they cut it up for me. I also bought a Kit Kat. Then we got to the part of the walk where we said goodbye to all the little kids who were following us around. And then we continued for maybe another hour towards the last village where the homestay actually was. I saw some more animals, some chickens, and I also saw a bunch of cows. And then we finally made it to the homestay where we had lunch, and then they gave us pretty much the rest of the day until dinner time to just explore the place. But I was so zonked that I literally just slept until dinner. Our room looked pretty decent, but all I'm going to say is we had some unexpected visitors during our sleep. That's all I'm going to say. Just before dinner, I went outside to get some fresh air and the sky looked very beautiful. And then we had dinner. The food was really nice and we actually got to roll those spring rolls ourselves. And then for the rest of the night, we played some drinking games and we also had some happy tea. And then just before bed, I hung out with the homestay owner's little daughter. And that was it for day 4. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you for day 5. Bye!